I'm Harshita Joshi and welcome back to our series Walk and Talk interview. Today I have my friend and guest Daksh and we are going to talk about the topic which everyone is annoyed or once in a while has complained about. Is there any real news coverage anymore?
Hi everyone, and thank you Arshita for inviting me today. And today I am pretty excited about talk to this on topic.
So, Daksh, what do you think? Like, what are your opinions on this matter? Do you really believe that there is any real or factual news coverage?
So, in my opinion, I believe because that most of people feel as like TV and the online news has turned into basically some comedy or entertainment show. Sometimes the debate is much louder than the actual issue. And when you are surfing through the news channel, they all feel so dramatic and the actual information get lost somewhere.
Exactly. Everything is like breaking news, even when the news is not that breaking.
Yes, right. It's more like when they break our patience, not the breaking news.
So, do you think that we audience is also responsible for this? Like, we all do get click on spicy and dramatic stuff.
Oh, absolutely. We click on the spicy clips, dramatic screenshot, and reels. And when we complained about it, but honestly, the audience is partially blamed. We are all tired. We all just want the clear and simple information without the dramas.
True that. Another thing that I have noticed that there is there are many panels and sessions in the studios, but there are not actual reporters out in the field.
Yes, in my opinion, it's basically creates confusion. You watch 30 minutes of news, but you have 20 opinions from various people, but not a single fact. And that's when the people start saying, guys, why no one is covering the actual or real news?
So what do you think that all of this do to us viewers?
Well, in my opinion, I would say that firstly, report from the ground, not the studio. And secondly, focus on the real stories, not the sensation. And third, but not the last, for the audience, you all need to support the good journalism, not just the viral clips. If we all do that together, we will gradually get real news again.
Thank you, Daksh. So now tell me, what do you think that is there any kind of solution for this?
Yes, in my opinion, I have a solution of that. Reporter must go from the ground and meet people, and then have a viral clips and note the viral clips and note the take the dramatic reels and note the sensation on the. So I have all these factors.
So Daksh, thank you for today. Thank you so much for your insightful thoughts and bye everyone.
And thank you, Arshita. Thank you for having me. And I hope after this, at least some people stop watching the dramatic stuff and finger crossed.